Welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to add like a little really cool functionality which we're gonna call delete. Anyway, we have done this before, so it's pretty easy, and we have the new way of doing it, which I'm going to be using since some of you are going to be uploading this to your web, to the web server, right? So let's go to, first of all, we need to go to index and make sure the index is set up right. So here on the delete functionality, I'm just going to copy and paste that, and we're going to say delete slide ID whatever, and we're going to be making this file called delete slide.php, and of course we're going to do a save as from one of these, and we're going to do delete slide.php. Enter. We don't have to change much here, we just have to change some names. Delete slide ID, right? And of course here slides, delete slide ID, and slides. Easy, right? It could not be easier than this. Enter. You can of course pause the video and copy it. All right, so now we have set up our home page, well, for admin, right? We have set up our page to delete. Now we need to set up our link, right? So let's go to slides.php. Actually, we need to go to functions and find our get slides thumbnails right here. And now we need to set up this link here. So we're going to say index.php question mark delete slides. Oh, I think it's slide. We call it slide or slides. Let's go to index. Delete slide. All right. So delete slide, and we'll send in the delete slide ID. Actually, we'll send in the put curly mac. There we go. The item ID. So it would be the slide ID. There we go. All right. So let's check it out. Let's see if this is working. Oh, another thing that we need to also check is this to say delete slide deleted, and we of course want to display this information here, so we need to go to slides.php, and oh, we already have a message to display there. That's beautiful. We already have that set up. All right, so enter. No errors. That's unfortunate because I really wanted errors on this page, so that way I can have some fun debugging, but it's okay. We'll click on it and slide delete it. Beautiful. Look at that. Click on it, slide delete it, click on it, click on it. Wow, we have built a really cool functionality here, right? I'm pretty sure this is going to help you make a lot more applications that are going to be more advanced than this. This is just the foundation for you. You are on your way to building a lot better applications and with a lot more features. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. It was a pleasure showing it to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.